Alright, so this is my hair. This is 3-day hair. I sleep on my hair. I don't tie it up or anything. I sleep on a satin pillowcase, but it still seems like my hair is dry after a couple of days. So I am going to show you in this video how I revive my tapered cut after 3 days. So I guess we can call this 2nd day hair. So I start off by using the Curl Revitalizer by Cantu Shea Butter, and I actually spray that all over my hair. I want to make sure my hair is saturated, wet, or moisturized, if that's the word you want to use. Then I use a vitamin E and flaxseed oil. I make sure that I'm sealing in the moisturizer into my hair, well, the curl activator into my hair, and then I use the curl activating cream because my hair seems to love this stuff. I use that over my entire hair, and I kind of surface do it first, and then I tend to shingle. So shingle is a method of just taking sections of it. So you're going to see I'm going to take sections of my hair, and I'm going to rake the product through with my fingers. So I don't use a comb. I can feel my hair a lot better with my fingers. That way I'm able to take out any kinks or any tangling that's going on in my hair. The top of my hair tends to be the most kinkiest. It feels dry, but I just know it's just because it's a much more tighter texture than the front of my hair, and then everything else is short, so it doesn't matter. I'll wet my hair some more with the activator just to make sure that I can get the product into my hair so it can give me some kind of definition, and then I'll continue to rake, for lack of better words, the product into my hair. So I seal or finish up by putting oil in it just so I can get rid of some of the white product that's going on in my hair. For some reason, oil helps for me. And then I use the curl activating again, and I use a sponge, a very large one, and I go in a circular motion on the back of my hair just to give me a little bit more definition. So as you guys know, I like to shake my hair so I can get some separation in the curls, and this is what it looks like when it's about 50% dry, because I'll let my hair try to air dry while I'm changing clothes or putting makeup on or whatever. And then I'll use a blow dryer. I like to use the precise nozzle. I don't really care to use the diffuser, but it's mainly because I'm trying to not disturb the curl. But I like this one because, as you can see, I'm pulling, so this creates volume. So I'm drying my hair into a shape. So the only way I can do this is by molding it with the dryer, and then I take my pick, lifting only from the root, and yeah, that's it. So that's it, guys. This is all I use to do my 3-day hair or to revive my curls. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.